Welcome to the largest classic Ford show in Europe, and on a sunny day like today, I thought I would grab my camera, head to the show and take a walk around. Let's see what we can find, shall we? If you love your classic Fords, you will certainly love this show. Just standing at the gate watching some of the cars turning up to join the display puts a smile on your face. So, enjoy the Escorts, Fiestas, Capris, Sierras, Zephyrs, Anglias and more. I had some great chats with some of the passionate owners of these cars. The owner of this late 1974 Medina Green RS2000, just to the right here, has an incredible example on show. I think he's taking it up to the Lake District Classic show in June if you're up that way and fancy seeing it. I've tried to film as many cars as possible, but there are hundreds of superb examples here on show. I'm bound to miss a few, unfortunately. If you had your car here on display or are hoping to see something particular, I hope I've managed to capture it for you. It would also have been nice to do some on-camera owner interviews, but quite often there was music in the background, which unfortunately can bring up copyright issues. I'm not going to gabble on all the time through this video, I'll just cut in here and there, so please enjoy my meandering around and I hope you see something you like. Now, this Olympic Blue 1973 Mark I RS2000, for me, was one of the highlights of the show. Kudos to the owner of this beauty. Take a look at this concours restoration. Check this out. I popped my camera underneath to show you just how immaculate it is all round. If you fancy making a comment below, it would be great to know more about any of the cars featured in this video. I can imagine it's quite an effort to get some of these cars to the show, whilst also keeping them prepared to such an amazing standard. I loved the interior of this Zodiac with the cream seats and red piping. I just had to film it. Speaking with the owner, he mentioned that this was the only one at the show, which was a shame. Now, here's a little gem that brings back memories. What I like about this 1985 or 1986, I can't quite remember the exact year, Fiesta Popular Plus is just how standard it is, mixed in with the RS's and Cosworths etc. on display, with its 1 litre 45 brake horsepower engine in citrine yellow. The owner says that he still has some work to do, but he's getting there. Fantastic stuff. This lovely couple are just relaxing and eating lunch in their Corsair whilst people watching. They've had this great example for 8 years. Whether you're a Ford enthusiast or not, This is a great day out that I would thoroughly recommend, and I'd just like to thank all the owners and show organisations, and the UK weather this time, for putting on such a great day. Have you spotted a car you know